In today's video, we learn how to solve linear equations. Let's start with our first example. Example 1. Solve the equation given below. Solution. To solve a linear equation, here are the solution procedures. The first step is to simplify the equation. The second step is to group terms. And lastly, we solve for the unknown variable, which in this case is x. We have the equation giving us 3x plus 5 is equal to 2 minus 6 minus x minus 2x, right? And so we have to expand this guy, right? So this will multiply this times this. Likewise, this will multiply this, and this will multiply that, right? And so doing so, we are going to have 3x plus 15 is equal to 2 times minus 6 is minus 12. 2 times minus x is minus 2x, then minus 2x. These two guys are like terms. That's minus 2x is going to be minus 4x, right? So we are going to have 3x plus 15 is equal to minus 12 minus 4x. Now let's group terms. So we move this guy to the left hand side and we move this guy to the right hand side, right? So we are going to have 3x plus 4x is equal to minus 12 minus 15, right? Now 3x plus 4x is going to give us 7x, and also minus 12 minus 15 is going to give us minus 27, right? So our goal is to solve for x. And so we divide through by the coefficient of x, which is 7 in this case. So 7x divided by 7 is equal to minus 27 divided by 7. 7 will cancel 7, so you're going to have x is equal to minus 27 on 7. So this is our value for x. Example 2. Solve the equation given below. Solution. We have the terms in the equation given as fractions, right? So we must first find the LCM. So the LCM of 3, 4, and 12 is given as 12, right? So we multiply each of these guys by the LCM, which is 12. And so we are going to have 12 multiplying x on 3 minus 12 multiplying 3x on 4 is equal to 12 multiplying 1 on 12, right? Let's simplify this expression. 3 will go into 12, 4, right? So this will cancel that. So you're going to have here to be 4. And 4 will go into 12 3 times. Also, 12 will go into 12 1, right? Thus, we have 4 times x. That's for this guy here. Then minus, also for this, we have 3 times 3x, right? So we have 3 multiplying 3x is equal to 1 times 1. So we're going to have 4x minus 9x is equal to 1, right? 4x minus 9x is going to give us minus 5x is equal to 1. So solving for x, we divide by the coefficient of x. So we have minus 5 on x divided by minus 5 is equal to 1 divided by minus 5. Thus, x is equal to minus 1 on 5. So this is our value for x. Example 3. Solve the equation given below. Solution. So here we have the equation giving us m minus 2 divided by 2 plus 1 is equal to 3m on 4. Here also we have the terms in the equation given as fractions, right? So we must first find the LCM. So here the LCM is giving us 4, right? And so in our next step, we are going to multiply through the equation by 4, right? So we are going to have 4 times the first term, which is m minus 2 on 2, plus 4 times 1 is equal to 4 times 3m on 4. This will cancel this. So that will be 2. 4 times 1 is 4. And also 4 will go into 4, 1. Thus, we are going to have 2 multiplying m minus 2. That's for this guy because here we have 2 times the numerator, which is m minus 2. Then plus 4 times 1 is 4 is equal to 1 times 3m is 3m. So let's simplify the left hand side. So we are going to have 2 times m, that will be 2m, and 2 times minus 2 will be minus 4, plus 4 is equal to 3m. Simplifying this, we are going to have 2m plus 0, because minus 4 plus 4 is 0, is equal to 3m. So when we group like terms, we are going to have 2m minus 3m is equal to 0. Thus, minus m is equal to 0. Hence, m is equal to 0. So the value for m in this equation is equal to 0. Example 4. Solve the equation given below. Solution. In this equation, the terms in the equation are fractions. So we must first find the LCM, then we can simplify, right? So we have the equation giving us 2 on x plus 1 is equal to 4 minus 2x on x plus 1. And this equation is the same as 2 on x plus 1 is equal to 4 on 1, right? Because 4 is the same as 4 on 1 minus 2x on x plus 1. Now let's find the LCM. The LCM in this case is giving us x plus 1. So we are going to multiply each of these terms by x plus 1, right? Thus, we are going to have x plus 1 multiplying this guy. So that will be 2 on x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 multiplying this guy. So that's going to be 4 on 1 minus x plus 1 multiplying this guy. So that will be 2x on x plus 1. Simplifying this, we are going to have x plus 1 will cancel x plus 1. Also, x plus 1 is going to cancel x plus 1, right? Thus, we are going to have 1 times 2 is equal to x plus 1 multiplying 4 minus 1 times 2x. Simplifying this, we are going to have 2 is equal to 4 is going to multiply x, and 4 is going to multiply 1, right? So that's we're going to have 4x plus 4 minus 2x, right? So let's group terms. So we're going to have 2 is equal to 4x minus 2x plus 4. Thus, we have 2 is equal to 2x plus 4. Now let's move x to the left hand side. So we're going to have minus 2x is equal to 4 minus 2. Thus, minus 2x is equal to 2. Solving for x, we are going to divide by the coefficient of x, which is minus 2. So we are going to have minus 2x divided by minus 2 is equal to 2 divided by minus 2. Thus, x is equal to minus 1. So the value for x in this equation is minus 1. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.